Welcome back to QST Certification Academy. I'm Tyler, and today we're working through original ISC2 certified in cybersecurity practice questions. Each question includes four answer choices, a countdown timer, the correct answer, and a short explanation. Let's get started. Disclaimer: all questions in this video are original educational practice questions created by QST Certification Academy. They are not official exam questions and are not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by any certification body. Use them to test your understanding only. Here's how the timing works. Standard questions include a 10-second countdown. Scenario questions include a 30-second countdown. You will see the timer on screen after each question, but I will not repeat the timing instructions every time. Section 1. AI Workloads and Considerations. Question 1. Which AI workload is used to group customers with similar buying behavior when the groups are not known in advance? Option A, classification. Option B, clustering. Option C, regression. Option D, object detection. The correct answer is B, clustering. Explanation. Clustering is an unsupervised machine learning workload that groups similar items when predefined labels are not available. Question 2. Which AI workload predicts a numeric value such as next month's sales revenue? Option A, regression. Option B, clustering. Option C, key phrase extraction. Option D, image classification. The correct answer is A, regression. Explanation. Regression predicts continuous numeric values such as revenue, temperature, or delivery time. Question 3. You are an admin for a retail company. Leadership wants to predict whether each customer is likely to cancel a subscription next month. Which type of machine learning should you use? Option A, classification. Option B, clustering. Option C, OCR. Option D, text to speech. The correct answer is A, classification. Explanation. This is classification because the model predicts a category such as likely to cancel or not likely to cancel. Question 4. Which principle helps ensure an AI system can be understood and explained to users and stakeholders? Option A, transparency. Option B, high availability. Option C, data compression. Option D, network segmentation. The correct answer is A, transparency. Explanation. Transparency means AI systems should be understandable, explainable, and communicated clearly to affected users. Question 5. Which responsible AI principle focuses on reducing unfair treatment of people based on sensitive attributes? Option A, fairness. Option B, availability. Option C, indexing. Option D, catching. The correct answer is A, fairness. Explanation. Fairness focuses on reducing bias and ensuring AI systems do not unfairly advantage or disadvantage groups of people. Question 6. You are an admin reviewing an AI hiring tool. Testing shows the model recommends one demographic group far more often, even when experience is similar. What should you do first? Option A, deploy the model because it is automated. Option B, review the data and model for bias before production use. Option C, remove all audit records. Option D, increase the prediction threshold without documenting it. The correct answer is B. Review the data and model for bias before production use. Explanation: bias concerns should be investigated and mitigated before deployment. This supports fairness, accountability, and responsible AI. Section 2: Machine Learning Fundamentals. Question 7: which Azure service provides a visual interface for training, evaluating, and deploying machine learning models? Option A: Azure Machine Learning. Option B: Azure DNS. Option C: Azure Monitor Only. Option D: Azure Firewall. The correct answer is A, Azure Machine Learning. Explanation: Azure Machine Learning supports building, training, evaluating, and deploying machine learning models, including visual and automated approaches. Question 8: in supervised machine learning, what must the training data include? Option A: labels or known answers. Option B: only encrypted files. Option C: only images. Option D: no historical data. The correct answer is A, labels or known answers. Explanation: supervised learning uses labeled examples so the model can learn relationships between input features and known outcomes. Question 9: you are an admin building a model to estimate delivery time in minutes based on distance, traffic, and order size. Which workload is the best fit? Option A, regression. Option B, entity recognition. Option C, sentiment analysis. Option D, speech synthesis. The correct answer is A, regression. Explanation: the model is predicting a numeric value, so regression is the correct machine learning workload. Question 10: what is the purpose of a training data set? Option A, to help the model learn patterns. Option B, to delete the model after deployment. Option C, to replace all testing. Option D, to store user passwords. The correct answer is A, to help the model learn patterns. Explanation: a training data set contains examples the model uses to learn patterns and relationships. Question 11: why should a test data set be separate from the training data set? Option A, to evaluate how well the model performs on unseen data. Option B, to make the model ignore labels. Option C, to avoid deploying the model. Option D, to remove all features. The correct answer is A, to evaluate how well the model performs on unseen data. Explanation: a separate test data set helps evaluate whether the model generalizes beyond the data it learned from. Question 12: you are an admin and a model performs very well on training data but poorly on new customer records. What is the most likely issue? Option A, overfitting. Option B, encryption. Option C, speech synthesis. Option D, optical character recognition. The correct answer is A, overfitting. Explanation: overfitting happens when a model learns the training data too closely and fails to generalize to new data. Question 13: which metric is commonly used to evaluate classification models? Option A, accuracy. Option B, frame rate. Option C, storage tier. Option D, DNS latency. The correct answer is A, accuracy. Explanation: accuracy is a common classification metric that measures the percentage of correct predictions. Question 14. Which feature of Azure Machine Learning can automatically try multiple algorithms and settings for a model? Option A, automated machine learning. Option B, blob lifecycle management. Option C, private DNS zones. Option D, network peering. The correct answer is A, automated machine learning. Explanation: automated machine learning can train and compare multiple algorithms and configurations to find a suitable model. Question 15. You are an admin with limited data science experience. You need to quickly train a classification model and compare algorithms. Which Azure machine learning feature should you use? Option A, automated ML. Option B, Azure Bastion. Option C, Azure Front Door. Option D, Microsoft Sentinel. The correct answer is A, automated ML. Explanation: automated ML is designed to help build and compare machine learning models with less manual algorithm selection. Section 3, Computer Vision. Question 16. Which computer vision workload identifies whether an image contains a dog, a car, or a building? Option A, image classification. Option B, speech recognition. Option C, regression. Option D, language detection. The correct answer is A, image classification. Explanation: image classification assigns one or more labels to an image based on its visual content. Question 17. Which computer vision workload finds and locates multiple objects within an image? Option A, object detection. Option B, sentiment analysis. Option C, text translation. Option D, entity recognition. The correct answer is A, object detection. Explanation: object detection identifies objects and returns their locations, often with bounding boxes. Question 18. You are an admin for a warehouse. Cameras need to identify forklifts and people and show where they appear in each frame. What should you use? Option A, object detection. Option B, key phrase extraction. Option C, clustering. Option D, text to speech. The correct answer is A, object detection. Explanation: object detection is appropriate because it identifies object types and their locations in the image or video frame. Question 19. Which workload extracts printed or handwritten text from images and scanned documents? Option A, optical character recognition. Option B, regression. Option C, clustering. Option D, speech translation. The correct answer is A, optical character recognition. Explanation: optical character recognition, or OCR, extracts text from images and scanned documents. Question 20. Which Azure AI service can analyze images and return captions, tags, and detected objects? Option A, Azure AI Vision. Option B, Azure Virtual Network. Option C, Azure Key Vault Only. Option D, Azure Advisor. The correct answer is A, Azure AI Vision. Explanation: Azure AI Vision provides image analysis capabilities such as tags, captions, object detection, and OCR features. Question 21. You are an admin at an insurance company. Users upload photos of damaged vehicles and need an AI service to detect visible damage areas. Which workload is most appropriate? Option A, computer vision object detection. Option B, speech synthesis. Option C, language translation. Option D, anomaly detection in time series. The correct answer is A, computer vision object detection. Explanation: the requirement is visual detection in images, so computer vision object detection is the most appropriate workload. Question 22. Which face related capability can estimate whether an image contains a human face? Option A, face detection. Option B, entity recognition. Option C, regression. Option D, topic modeling. The correct answer is A, face detection. Explanation: face detection identifies the presence and location of faces in an image. Question 23. Why should organizations be careful when using facial recognition technology? Option A, it can involve privacy, consent, and fairness concerns. Option B, it only works on audio files. Option C, it cannot be audited. Option D, it removes all need for security controls. The correct answer is A. It can involve privacy, consent, and fairness concerns. Explanation: face technologies can raise privacy and fairness concerns, so organizations should use them responsibly with appropriate controls and consent. Question 24. You are an admin for a school system. A vendor suggests using face recognition to track student attendance. What should you consider before approving it? Option A, privacy, consent, legal requirements, and fairness risks. Option B, only the camera brand. Option C, whether it replaces all teachers. Option D, whether logs can be deleted immediately. The correct answer is A, privacy, consent, legal requirements, and fairness risks. Explanation: face recognition can affect privacy and civil rights, so consent, policy, compliance, and fairness must be reviewed before use. Section 4, natural language processing. Question 25. Which natural language processing workload identifies whether a review is positive, negative, or neutral? Option A, sentiment analysis. Option B, image classification. Option C, object detection. Option D, regression. The correct answer is A, sentiment analysis. Explanation: sentiment analysis determines the emotional tone or opinion expressed in text. Question 26. Which NLP workload identifies people, places, dates, and organizations in text? Option A, named entity recognition. Option B, object detection. Option C, OCR only. Option D, speech synthesis. The correct answer is A, name entity recognition. Explanation: name entity recognition extracts entities such as names, organizations, locations, dates, and quantities from text. Question 27. You are an admin for a support center. The manager wants to automatically identify product names, customer names, and dates in ticket notes. Which capability should you use? Option A, named entity recognition. Option B, image segmentation. Option C, DDoS protection. Option D, regression only. The correct answer is A, named entity recognition. Explanation: named entity recognition extracts structured entities such as names, products, and dates from unstructured text. Question 28: which NLP workload extracts the most important words or phrases from text? Option A, key phrase extraction. Option B, object detection. Option C, face detection. Option D, route optimization. The correct answer is A, key phrase extraction. Explanation: key phrase extraction identifies important terms and phrases that summarize the main topics in text. Question 29: which capability changes text from one language into another language? Option A, translation. Option B, classification. Option C, clustering. Option D, anomaly detection. The correct answer is A, translation. Explanation: translation converts text from a source language to a target language. Question 30. You are an admin for a global help desk. Tickets arrive in Spanish, French, and English, but agents only work in English. What should you implement? Option A, text translation. Option B, object detection. Option C, face verification. Option D, time series forecasting. The correct answer is A, text translation. Explanation: text translation converts multilingual tickets into the agent's working language. Question 31. Which Azure AI service can convert spoken audio into text? Option A, Azure AI Speech. Option B, Azure AI Vision. Option C, Azure App Configuration. Option D, Azure Traffic Manager. The correct answer is A, Azure AI Speech. Explanation: Azure AI Speech provides speech to text capabilities that transcribe spoken audio into text. Question 32. Which capability converts written text into spoken audio? Option A, text to speech. Option B, speech to text. Option C, OCR. Option D, entity recognition. The correct answer is A, text to speech. Explanation: text to speech converts written text into synthesized spoken audio. Question 33. You are an admin for an accessibility project. The app must read instructions aloud for users with limited vision. Which capability should you use? Option A, text to speech. Option B, object detection only. Option C, regression. Option D, clustering. The correct answer is A, text to speech. Explanation: text to speech is the correct capability when written content must be converted into spoken audio. Question 34. Which Azure service can be used to build a question answering knowledge base from documents or FAQs? Option A, Azure AI Language. Option B, Azure Load Balancer. Option C, Azure Policy Only. Option D, Azure Files. The correct answer is A, Azure AI Language. Explanation: Azure AI Language includes question answering capabilities that can create responses from knowledge sources such as FAQs and documents. Section 5: Generative AI and Conversational AI. Question 35. What is the purpose of a conversational AI bot? Option A, to interact with users through natural language dialogue. Option B, to encrypt virtual machines. Option C, to detect faces and videos only. Option D, to replace network routing. The correct answer is A, to interact with users through natural language dialogue. Explanation: conversational AI enables systems to interact with users through natural language, often using chat or voice interfaces. Question 36. You are an admin for HR. Employees ask repetitive policy questions, and HR wants an automated chat experience that answers from approved documents. What should you build? Option A, conversational bot with question answering over the HR knowledge base. Option B, a firewall rule. Option C, a facial recognition model. Option D, a regression model for sales. The correct answer is A, conversational bot with question answering over the HR knowledge base. Explanation: a conversational bot with question answering is appropriate for answering natural language questions from approved HR content. Question 37. Which AI capability creates new text, images, code, or other content from prompts? Option A, generative AI. Option B, object detection. Option C, OCR. Option D, clustering only. The correct answer is A, generative AI. Explanation: generative AI creates new content such as text, images, code, summaries, or responses based on prompts and context. Question 38. What is a prompt in generative AI? Option A, the input or instruction given to the model. Option B, a storage account key. Option C, a firewall subnet. Option D, a backup schedule. The correct answer is A, the input or instruction given to the model. Explanation: a prompt is the user input, question, or instruction that guides a generative AI model's response. Question 39. You are an admin deploying a chatbot for company procedures. The bot sometimes invents answers that are not in the policy documents. What should you do? Option A, ground responses in approved documents and include validation or review controls. Option B, tell users all answers are guaranteed correct. Option C, remove source documents. Option D, disable all logging. The correct answer is A, ground responses in approved documents and include validation or review controls. Explanation: grounding and review controls help reduce hallucinations and keep responses aligned with approved content. Question 40. Which term describes incorrect or fabricated output from a generative AI model? Option A, hallucination. Option B, encryption. Option C, clustering. Option D, normalization. The correct answer is A, hallucination. Explanation: a hallucination is when a generative AI system produces content that sounds plausible but is incorrect or unsupported. Question 41. Which practice helps improve a generative AI answer by providing relevant source content? Option A, grounding. Option B, port scanning. Option C, image cropping. Option D, password rotation. The correct answer is A, grounding. Explanation. Grounding provides relevant context or source data so the model can generate responses based on trusted information. Question 42. You are an admin for a legal department. Users want a generative AI assistant to answer questions only from internal contracts and cite the source. What design should you choose? Option A. Ground the assistant in the contract repository and require source citations. Option B. Let the model answer from general knowledge only. Option C. Disable access controls on all contracts. Option D, use object detection on contract PDFs. The correct answer is A. Ground the assistant in the contract repository and require source citations. Explanation. Grounding the assistant in approved contract content and requiring citations improves trust and helps users verify answers. Question 43. Which Azure service provides access to advanced generative AI models for text and code scenarios? Option A, Azure OpenAI Service. Option B, Azure Backup. Option C, Azure Firewall Manager. Option D, Azure DNS. The correct answer is A, Azure OpenAI Service. Explanation. Azure OpenAI Service provides access to advanced generative AI models for tasks such as text generation, summarization, and code assistance. Question 44. Why should content filtering be used with generative AI applications? Option A, to help reduce harmful or inappropriate inputs and outputs. Option B, to increase hallucinations. Option C, to remove all identity controls. Option D, to replace user training completely. The correct answer is A, to help reduce harmful or inappropriate inputs and outputs. Explanation. Content filtering helps detect and reduce harmful, unsafe, or inappropriate AI inputs and outputs. Question 45. You are an admin deploying a public AI chat app. The app must reduce harmful responses and log abuse attempts. Which controls should you prioritize? Option A, content filtering, monitoring, and responsible AI review. Option B, anonymous admin access. Option C, no logs and no usage limits. Option D, open write access to system prompts. The correct answer is A, content filtering, monitoring, and responsible AI review. Explanation. Public AI apps should use content filtering, monitoring, and responsible AI controls to reduce misuse and improve safety. Section 6, Azure AI Services. Question 46. Which Azure service lets you use pre-built AI capabilities through APIs without training your own model? Option A, Azure AI Services. Option B, Azure Root Server. Option C, Azure Disk Encryption Only. Option D, Azure Virtual Desktop. The correct answer is A, Azure AI Services. Explanation. Azure AI Services provide pre-built AI capabilities such as vision, speech, language, and translation through APIs. Question 47. What is an endpoint used for when calling an Azure AI service? Option A, the service URL that an application sends requests to. Option B, the password typed by a user. Option C, the answer choice in a quiz. Option D, the physical location of a monitor. The correct answer is A, the service URL that an application sends requests to. Explanation. An endpoint is the URL where applications send API requests to an Azure service. Question 48. You are an admin integrating Azure AI Vision into an app. Developers ask what they need to call the service securely. What should you provide? Option A, the endpoint and an authorized key or token mechanism. Option B, a public admin password. Option C, a random YouTube URL. Option D, a local printer driver. The correct answer is A, the endpoint and an authorized key or token mechanism. Explanation: applications need the service endpoint and a secure authentication method such as a key or token to call Azure AI Services. Question 49. Which Azure feature helps protect secrets such as API keys used by applications? Option A, Azure Key Vault. Option B, Azure CDN only. Option C, Azure Boards. Option D, Azure Maps only. The correct answer is A, Azure Key Vault. Explanation: Azure Key Vault helps securely store and manage secrets, keys, and certificates used by applications. Question 50. Why is monitoring important after deploying an AI application? Option A, to track performance, errors, usage, and unexpected behavior. Option B, to avoid seeing failures. Option C, to remove all logs. Option D, to make data private automatically. The correct answer is A, to track performance, errors, usage, and unexpected behavior. Explanation: monitoring helps teams detect errors, measure usage, and identify performance or behavior issues after deployment. Question 51. You are an admin for a production AI app. Users report slower responses and occasional failed requests. What should you check first? Option A, monitoring logs, metrics, quotas, and service health. Option B, only the logo color. Option C, whether all documentation can be deleted. Option D, the user's keyboard layout only. The correct answer is A, monitoring logs, metrics, quotas, and service health. Explanation: logs, metrics, quotas, and service health are the right places to start troubleshooting performance and request failures. That wraps up this ISC2 certified in cybersecurity practice session. I'm Tyler. If this helped, subscribe for more certification practice questions, cybersecurity review, and exam prep videos from QST Certification Academy.